You can't see? You can see.
Yeah.
Well, why couldn't you see for a second?
What are you talking about? You're a jerk! No, stop it!
Why are you hiding like that?
He's squirting me with something.
You're a bad kitty, that's why. He's teaching you how to behave. We're not rats.
I'm sorry.
Why are you ugly kitty? That's why he sprayed you. You need a bath. You don't like yourself good enough. Don't hit.
Ow!
I didn't even hit you before you... What's your problem?
You're so mean.
Are you punishing me?
Look on the nose because you're bad.
You got your claws out? Do you have to press a button to get them out? Are you high again?
I want to go home.
You want to take pictures with the TV?
No. Turn that off.